Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to share posts only with close friends on Instagram. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Select any picture or video that you want to post. Tap on Next. Edit it as you want to. Then tap on Next after you're satisfied. Here you can add captions, location, tag people, and so on. To share the post only with close friends, scroll down to Audience. Tap on it. Here you have two options, followers and close friends. Tap on Close Friends. Tap on Done. Then share the post. Now only the people who are in your close friend list can view the post. And that is how to share posts only with close friends on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.